Hello, everybody. So, a very good evening to all of you. And to be honest, I just have came here after finishing my spoken English class with Nandini ma'am. But today I didn't receive, that much of good feedback, and I will take it obviously what to take it like. I would take it as correct feedback, so I'm not gonna dishearten my emotions, of course. See, first I would have to share what happened in the class. Nothing wrong, nothing unusual. What happened that my tutor provided few about 6 to 7 images, and she asked us to choose any one picture that you want to and create a story on that, and you have to talk about it for let's say for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so first thing, I was not a starter of this activity. There is a boy named Akshay who started, right? He was the first to speak on a picture, whatever, whichever he has chosen. And I think I was the third person to speak, and I picked the image which was showing the weeks, okay, name of the day in a week, 7 days, Monday, from Monday to Sunday. So I spoke well. I spoke like what this picture is showing and what I can understand from this. And then I also mentioned a technique. Obviously I don't know the technical name of that technique, but the what this technique says that if you have decided to finish a task in a certain time, so your brain starts functioning in that way. And obviously if you are actually willing to finish that task, so you would be able to finish that task within the whatever time you have set for yourself. But the problem was, see, obviously she's the tutor, right? And she's not there for our enjoyment, and I understand it very clearly that she is very responsible when giving feedback to students, because nobody want to get just be praised, because when we are praised we don't think that we have to do something extra, something different, something uh, creative or something new. So what I did was I described the picture, but as I have told you in the beginning, that she asked us to create a story, obviously around that picture, and then speak, right? But I described it, so which was not good, I mean which was not wrong, but I I didn't do what I was asked to do, right? So yes, but what I'm going to do now is I am going to create a story, imagine a story, I'm going to making a story on my own, and I'll be speaking about it. So what would happen by that, I would be able to obviously communicate with you all as well. At the same time, I would be able to do a thing which I should do in the class, but it's okay. Just uh, let's just start it here. So I would choose that picture only, the picture showing the name of the days, and I'm gonna create my own story and I'll be telling you. Okay, so let's start. uh, first of all what I can see and understand about this picture is that this picture is, kind of telling us that if you plan your week, it may actually help you, right, in finishing the task that you want to finish in the week, right? And I can recall a story by seeing this picture. There was a girl whose name was Preeti, and she was in 7th class, and she was not planning anything. She was just studying randomly, but importantly, she was studying very well. She was doing hard work, but when his final exam came on her head, she was not able to complete his revision on time, and she was very upset about it, that I was the student in the class who used to finish every activity which the teacher gave us, and now I am not even able to revise everything even for a single time. And she was upset. She shared this with her mama, and what her mama recommended to her, that okay, even there is still a week for your exams, so you can prepare a plan. Obviously it would be little tight, you would have to spend longer hours on your studies, but it's okay if you want to finish your revisions on time, so you would have to plan, obviously, and this plan must be for a 1 week. So on his mother's advice, she did so. Unfortunately, she was at the by the end of the week, she was actually able to complete his revision portion, and she went to examination hall, recalling everything in his mind. And when she took her question paper, she noticed one thing, that I am able to answer these questions just because I have revised these questions. If I would not able to revise my whole notebooks, I mean, rough kind of thing, so I might not be able to answer these questions. So before writing anything in his answer sheet, she first thanked her mama for advising her at the right time. After that, she wrote her examination. She submitted the answer sheet when her time to write was over, and luckily she topped in the class. And yes, after that she shared sweets. She was so happy, and she was celebrating her win with his family. And here it ends the story. So by this story, what we can learn from the Preeti's story is what we must plan things, not a very lengthy plan, but at least at a rough kind of, you should have you should know at least in major points that what I have to finish, what I have to do. So this will help you in whatever you are doing. Yes, so that was all. I hope the story was interesting. You all be able to understand it, because obviously I just have started, thinking, and so yeah, I'm not very good at storytelling, at least for now, right? I am working on that, and I hope, I'm very sure, not hope, that at the end of this challenge, I would be able to, create stories immediately, and not just story, a meaningful story, of course. So yes, for today, I would have to wind this uh, discussion right now. Yes, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening to me till here. Stay tuned, enjoy the videos, and please let me know what you think about my challenge. Do you guys can notice any improvement? So if yes, then please let me know. And even if you don't notice any changes, then also let me know. Then I will try to, you know try to modify my strategy. So yeah, that's all. So please do share your opinions about my challenge, about my growth. So yes, thank you so much. Bye bye.